challenge of all challenges, the washing challenge.
I got quite gunky down there actually. Oh yes, I've been in the gym in my squats.
So I'm going to blast it with ceramic.
Ready for the Diamondbrite challenge.
Challenge of all challenges, the washing challenge.
And you got that side, yeah?
No, got the other side, man.
And I've got this side.
So you've got left, I've got right. We're going to switcheroo in a minute, but it doesn't matter. We need some products. Do we need some products?
You need some products. Into the products.
Products.
Hi guys.
Ah, thank you.
Yours, Tom.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank
Got
you.
goggles in there. Don't forget your goggles.
Goggles.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
There we go.
Don't put. Great.
Funny goggles is.
Right. Okay.
Are you ready?
Get ready. Steady.
Cook.
Swash.
Okay. Right. I guess we get going.
What now, Tom?
Lift off. I'm using lift off. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, so ceramic blast now. So I'm going to blast it with ceramic. It's going to make it all snowy foamy. Dunk. I accidentally did some of your side there, Tom, so feel free to just, I don't know, buy me a beer or something, I don't know.
Can I just quickly point out that for whatever reason, this side of the car is dirtier. It's the worst of it. I got quite gunky down there actually. Look at that beauty. Oh yes, I've been in the gym in my squats. Last bit. Final stage. Finished. Hey!
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Do we need an independent adjudicator
Need Lance.
for this? And thankfully, our independent adjudicator is Lance. So Lance, you will be able to judge our car washing skills. Now, I'll give you a 3-course meal if you let me win. But he's completely unbiased, so we may as well.
That's it. You've won.
We may as well just. Do you want to go around and do my side and then check, and then we can go and assess the Tom Chilton side?
Just to say, normally we would dry this, but for the purpose of filming and time, we've obviously done that. We haven't done that to either side, so just wanted to point that one out.
Well,
I think it's a good thing we're not drying it, because I noticed Tom's actually left a bit of sponge in here, and if you actually shammered it, there might be even more bits in that. There's a little bit there, look.
He's trying it on the Lance. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him.
Interesting as there wasn't actually a sponge used.
Exactly that.
As it's drying, zoom in everyone, zoom in. Yeah, I've noticed the wheels are muddy.
I was given no wheel cleaner.
Oh, this is very soapy round here. Who did this bit here? Look at, there's a lot of soap on here.
It's almost like Tom Chilton washed all of his soap across onto my nice clean side.
Who did this side again?
Oh, that was me.
That was you.
Tell you what, we should probably have a little look up here as well. Yeah, as expected,
Put your
there's
foot
dirt.
on the...
Oh look, there's dirt on there as well. Honestly, it's amateur hour, really.
Yeah,
What can we say, Lance? You know.
Clearly you've never cleaned a car before.
Hey?
Clearly I've cleaned lots of cars.
Well, I mean, to be honest, there's not a lot to pick between either of them. I mean, I think you've done a decent job for amateurs.
I'll give you a 4-course meal.
Well, I think I'm going to call it evens. I think you've both done a pretty good job, to be fair.
Well, there we go. The Diamondbrite challenge all finished.
The challenge of all challenges.
I've had a great day.
It's been a manly, fun day.
I've had a very, very enjoyable day. And on us even. You know, the nice thing, no winners, no losers here.
But I won them all.
We're
Oh, we drew one. I won this.
But no winners here. You know, we're all winners. That's the great thing. On us even, and you know, it's been great. Do you want to have a cup of tea?
We'll go have a cup of tea, but just remember, I did win.
There's no winners here,
Yeah,
mate.
but
We're
I
all
won.
winners.
I won it all.